things can take the operators a bit more time to roll out in mass, that 5G technology. But one of the things that may change some of that is, two other areas that people like some of the applications, some of the artificial intelligence, some of the robotic process automation. Some of the other major themes here are going to be drivers. So those applications are going to be significant drivers and consumers of that bandwidth. If a real killer app or killer function can be created out of those, that will provide a major impetus or pressing need to get that rollout done faster, where only that kind of speed or connectivity that 5G can enable will be required to enable the connectivity for those applications.
Digital transformation means that CIOs are moving their applications from their desktops, from the fixed locations, and pushing those applications to a mobile first space. That means, in some cases, exclusively on the mobile phone. So if you're moving your applications to the mobile phone and only on the mobile phone, there's a derivative activity that happens. It means that now that application has become mission critical on the mobile phone, connectivity is no longer optional. Connectivity is a must and mission critical. So now it puts us into the breach. Right now, a carrier or a mobile player, someone like us, particularly on a global basis, start to really come to the fore. So now that you see that everything's moving mobile, connectivity is super important.
2 or 3 major trends are finally lining up. There's the Internet of Things and the proliferation of chips and devices where everything is going to basically require connectivity. And that coupled with, people, the normal progress of people moving between countries, right? That cross-border mobile solution is a requirement. So if you look at some of the industry-specific domains of transportation and tracking of shipments and the number of potential devices, right? Ripping down those borders between countries to allow seamless connectivity, to collect that data, to aggregate it, and then to be able to make some good decisions on it is going to be more and more critical going forward. So, really working on how do you remove that problem of cross-border connectivity is becoming more and more important.
Virtual reality and augmented reality, 2 real hot topics, right from last year's Mobile World Congress to this year's Mobile World Congress. And interestingly, if you see how it's been evolving, is that while VR is becoming deeper and more immersive and hence in more controlled environments, you actually see that much more fun that you can do with it. I think the AR space is really where we're getting to see a lot more traction, right? And more traction because more use cases, more ways in which you can apply it to real life and mix it with what you're doing in your physical space as well. And hence, if you see between VR and AR, over a period of time, we will have huge data volumes and need for high-speed connectivity, loads of cloud computing on VR. And on the other hand, in augmented reality, we'll actually have a lot more use cases and a lot more scenarios and more continuity in the way you do it. So, in some sense, we feel that over a period of time, both of them will have their own use cases and presence, and both of them will consume proportionate amounts of connectivity, cloud services, and the range of devices around it.
Tata Communications, we're quite excited about where the evolution of IoT goes. And one of the areas we think it's going to go is mixing with augmented reality. So if you think about a smart factory and all these devices and sensors getting interconnected, what that can do to improve operations and capabilities of the factory workers. And where we see this overlaying with augmented reality is as you get all the information about the factory equipment, about the devices, workers having some type of glasses, gear, where the information can be overlaid on top of what they're working on. So now you have a great mixture of real-time data, real-time information, as well as anything around manuals, procedures being painted on top of the actual scenery that they're seeing in terms of the factory work. So it provides a great way to mix connected devices as well as augmented reality to really improve the productivity, the efficiency, the safety of the connected factories.